Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Fuller from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for February 12th, 2020. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see U.S. equities continue to climb, completely ignoring all the risks out there. I mean, today we heard that the U.S. deficit surged 25% in 2020, is now 1.1 trillion over the past year. Household debt hit a record $14 trillion, a figure we've never seen before. The coronavirus is still out there, all sorts of risks, but the market continues to ignore and continues to climb. The Dow finished higher by 275 points. The S&P 500 was higher by 21 points. The NASDAQ up 87, and the Russell gaining almost 12 points today. The bond market pulled back, and the yield on the 10-year note settled at 1.631%. Crude oil had one of its best days so far this year. It finished higher by $1.23 or 2.46%. Gold was higher by just $1.50 or so, while the U.S. dollar continued to climb. Now, before market opened this morning, Shopify reported earnings. They actually beat their earnings number, the estimate, I should say, EPS estimates. But the highlight was the fact that they reported better than expected 2020 sales forecast. So they lifted their guidance, and the market loved it, sending the price to an all-time high here, a new all-time high before pulling back and settling at $531.25, which was still $38.50 higher, or 7.81% right now in the after hours trading session. It's up another 0.5 percentage point. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.